Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy mint mojito. We'll begin by gathering our essential ingredients: fresh mint, crisp lime, smooth white rum, a touch of simple syrup, and sparkling club soda. Having the right tools, like a muddler and a tall glass, will make the process even smoother. Let's get ready to craft a refreshing drink that's perfect for any occasion. Now, let's infuse some incredible flavor. Take about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and 2 lime wedges, placing them into your sturdy glass. Using your muddler, gently press and twist the ingredients. The goal is to release the aromatic oils from the mint and the juice from the lime, not to shred them. This careful muddling creates the foundational essence of your mojito. With our muddled base ready, it's time to build the drink. Pour in 2 ounces of your favorite white rum, followed by 1 ounce of simple syrup for that perfect balance of sweetness. Now, fill your glass generously with ice cubes, ensuring your mojito stays wonderfully chilled. Give everything a good stir for about 15 seconds, making sure all the delightful flavors are thoroughly mixed. For the grand finale, top off your refreshing creation with about 4 to 5 ounces of sparkling club soda. This adds a delightful fizz and lightens the drink beautifully. To make it visually appealing, garnish with a vibrant sprig of fresh mint and a thin lime wheel. Your easy mint mojito is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Cheers to a perfectly crafted, refreshing beverage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.